morning. In all the excitement, I forgot to bring the Blixxo mic out, so you're going to have to put up with a bit of wind, unfortunately. But the plan is basically, it's been tiddling down all night. It's just brightened up a bit, but still a little bit spitty. The fields have been rolled discs, so all the stubble's been laid down, all the bean stubble's flattened, so hopefully lower to the ground, a bit more coil to ground contact. I'm going to start at the field. I found the Anglo-Saxon strap end. Perhaps I'll find the other one. And then I'm going to move on and go up to the field where I found the full groat in the last video. So hopefully the weather will hold out, and next time I won't forget the mic. Sorry about that. But anyway, we'll get Boblov on the go, and if we find anything, you'll be the first to know. Crack on. I think it's going to rain. It started to spit. It was nice and bright and sunny, but now, alas, I'll stick under that tree, I think, and see if that's just a shower. If not, back to the truck. Well, it did decide to tinkle down on me. You can see it rolling across the field towards the truck. You might be able to. But yeah, so I'm under this tree, hopefully no lightning. Make the most of it. Have a quick slurp of my drink, and fingers crossed stops raining in a bit. Right, well, sorry about the Blixxo, or lack of. I had an hour or so on the other field, not a heck of a lot. Buckle, maybe some pistol shot, no coins or anything. So I've come back to this one where I found the groat the other day. So I'm going to give this an hour or so and see if we can find anything else. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, I'm on the field where the groat was found. Just got an 86, don't really know what it is. Probably rubbish. I've been getting odd, weird shape bits of metal. It's an 86. I'm in hot at the moment, at 54 kilohertz. And there we have it. Marvellous. Piece of wire, electrical wire, gone all crispy. Fantastic. Okay. Well, rain stopped play. Don't know whether you can hear it, but it's absolutely gusseting it down. We'll get it out in a minute. Slightly damp. Lighting in here is not great because it's gone really cloudy. Sit here for 5-10 minutes, have a drink, see how it goes. If not, back to base for a cup of tea. But, we'll give it a bit and see how we go. It might hold off, or it might just gusset down. Well, it's a bit of a washout really. Rain stopped play, so no goodies really, just a bit of shrapnel, buckle, 2 pistol shot, and buttons, lots of buttons. So I'm back home now, on the noisy road, and slap on the wrist, mustn't forget Blixxo next time. So sorry about the audio, but I'll post this, but there's nothing fantastic to find. Fingers crossed on the next one. Catch you later. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications when the next video is out. And if you like this or my past videos, please click like.